Last week, one of our brothers in the oil and gas industry decided to take his life due to the financial stresses that his situation was putting on him. As I shoot this video, over 300,000 people have lost their jobs, and that number is climbing each and every day. Before you get into that situation where you feel that there's nothing else for you, please call a friend, call a family member, call the number that's on the screen now, and reach out and talk to somebody. There are options. You know, this downturn has taught us a lot about what we need to do as individuals and what we need to do as companies and what we need to do as an industry. There are options out there. They're not enjoyable options, but what I like to tell everybody is the decisions that we make today will determine where our future successes are. It's all about you, it's all about your friends, it's all about your peers, it's all about people in the industry that you know who are going through a tough time. Please take 10 seconds and share this video with them and let them know that there are options. The last thing that I want to see is another one of our brothers and sisters decided to end their precious life due to the situation that this downturn has put us in. The industry is going to come back, and when it does, we're going to be financially smarter, we're going to be stronger as individuals, and we're going to be definitely wiser as an industry. I appreciate your time. Again, please take 10 seconds and share this video with everybody you know that works in the industry, and let's keep us together for a much longer and stronger and prosperous life. Thank you.